And we definitely got to change that diet. I don't know what you're eating. So for example, I'm actually in the middle of a weight loss journey. Like no bullshit. I weighed myself about 2 months ago. Yeah, about 2 months ago now. I was at 231. And even if you go back on my channel, you look at my old videos, you can see I got a big old belly and my face is all fat and this, that, and the other. I was 231 pounds. And I actually just, one day I woke up and I said, I don't want to be fat anymore because I feel bad. I'm always tired. I never have any energy. Same stuff that he's saying. And, I wanted to know why. I changed my diet. I started tracking my calories. And I know for the longest time you use Pal. That's a good app to use. But I needed something that was more ADHD friendly, something that would be better for me. And in the recent years, ChatGPT's come out. AI is a thing now. And I do all of my food logs through ChatGPT. Like I log my food, I weigh my food. I have a certain calorie threshold that I meet every single day. For me, it's if I can hover right at 2,000, I know I'm in a deficit for my body, for my height, for my age. And I stayed in the deficit and I started losing a lot of weight really quickly. As of right now, in the recording of this video, I am 212. So I went from 231 to 212. And I'm still on my way down to 175. As far as the energy goes, one of the things I can say that's going to help you with that is number one, your carbs. That's going to help. So you got to eat, carby stuff, but also keep your protein high. Protein high, eat your carbs. It'll give you energy. And then also, if you still feel like you're dragging, amino acids, amino acids, they're going to be something that can help you get through the day. And you just take them. I take 2 scoops of it, shake it up. And it's better than coffee, to be honest, because you don't crash like you do with coffee. Daily routines, I say this is probably where you have to get on the steps. And I'm going to keep saying these steps because I know they work. I, even myself, have to go back to doing this. Stabilize. You got to clean your room. You got to clean your area, your immediate surroundings. We got to fix the diet. We have to get in shape. We got to do that work. Once we do that work, it's going to open up doors. Like that's going to open up your doors to make you go further. Like it's really gonna take you places in life, right? And then you got to secure work, right? Your lifestyle, everything. When you're clean, when you're organized, this is organized. When this isn't organized and everything around you ain't organized, you're gonna start feeling it. And then you're not even gonna be able to understand why you're feeling that way, which is what led you to post this here on Reddit anyway. All right. So yeah, realistic daily routine, exercise, do cardio, 30 minutes of cardio a day. Or, one thing I did, I have a mini elliptical that I use. It's a in motion mini elliptical. I use that at work and I'm on there while I'm working, you can't see it behind me, but I got what is it called? Golly, a rowing machine, boxing, all of these things. Like these are things that can kind of help you with your cardio and getting in shape. You just got to do something. Get active, high protein diets, your turkey, you got your eggs, you got your, all that stuff. I mean, you can research and Google or whatever you like, but keep your calories, keep your carbs, eat your veggies. You know what a clean diet is. And that's the other thing I want to say too. And nobody will ever say this. I have not heard anybody really say this. When you start on a diet and when you start going through this stuff, right? I realized that it is not as hard as you think it is. Everybody knows what to eat to lose weight. You know exactly what you need to eat. Chicken, rice, broccoli, eggs. Take it easy on the sweets. The only thing that was really a learning curve was understanding how many calories I needed and understanding what foods made me feel full in my stomach longer. And that was it. You get into the habit of doing this, I promise your life is going to start to change. And then you're going to start saying, man, wow, this is good. And this goes back to the other thing too, when I talk about these steps, right? Is you start tracking it. You get into the habit of tracking things. You get into the habit, and this is going to bring you structure. It's going to bring you organization. And on top of that too, you're going to feel fulfilled. You're going to feel really good about like life. You're going to feel really good about what everything is giving you. You're going to feel good about everything. One more time, change your diet, clean your room. If you ain't found a job, find that. Start tracking things. And then you're going to see everything in your life get better. I can almost guarantee you that.